Hello, my viewers. Gardening is the practice of cultivating plants for beauty, food, or enjoyment. It involves preparing soil, selecting suitable plants, and ensuring they receive adequate water and nutrient. As I love gardening, so made myself engage in gardening in front of my house. So I have brought up the all the requirements which are needed to have a growth of the proper plant. So let us go now. Here some of the manure I have brought up, so that the manure which helps properly in the growth of the plant. Manure is very essential, which we even refer it as a decayed organic. And I have even used some of the neem leaves, which would make the plants to be away from the insects, which help also in the growth of. Now after the different soils will help to have a proper growth of the plant. So here I am adding some of the black soil, which is very nutrient in keeping or having the capacity to retain the moisture within its body. And the decayed organic, some more extra on the above the black soil. The soil, the decayed organic will help a lot. Now here, to have more proper growth of the plant, now I am mixing some of the red soil also. Now after adding the red soil, now it's a time to what to do to make somewhat level of the ground, so that the plant can be grown very properly. So leveling the ground is also very important. The leveling of the ground makes the plant to grow in a very proper way. Now here this is the red soil. Not an adequate amount of red soil, but yes, this red soil is also rich in the minerals and beneficial for the root development. For the purpose of root development, now I am adding the red soil also. Now here three things I have added, two to three things. One is black soil, another one is decayed organic, then the red soil. Now this is a plant which I have brought up. The plant to make two to three plants I have brought up now, and I've decided to make these three to four plants in front of my house, which also brings lot of beauty also. And the flowers of the these plants in the future will help me to have to use for my pujas. Now this is a plant, a beautiful plant which I brought, not only one plant, three to four plants I have brought up. Now here one more, it's a beautiful plant I have added. Now all the things have been added. Gardening is very important. It pleases to the heart as well as the mind. One must engage themselves in this. After completing this, now I have to cover my plant from to protect from the cows or from the goats. But it gives lot of peace to mind. Let us all engage in gardening.